Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a new video, and in this video it's all about this bike. This is a old Suzuki Samurai 2000 model. I bought this for the sake of modification. I just paid around 5k for this bike, but there are some few repairs to be done in this. I'll show you whatever repairs have to be done in my channel. I'll just show you one by one, like what are changes I do. And do comment below like which bike shall I make this, like modify it to a scrambler, off-roading or a racer. I'll just show you now. The first part that is missing in this bike is the side shield, one over this side and the other side. And the next part is the tail light. As you can see here, there is no tail light here. You'll have to fix that over here. And this side also, battery is missing over here. Then the side shield is the choke cable from here, this side. And at the front, you can see this fork oil seal is gone, and there's no oil. We'll have to replace the fork oil seal and fill it with the oil. And here, as you can see, the ignition lock is missing, and this meter, I don't know whether it works. As of now, it's not working. So in future videos, what we'll do is we'll just remove this whole console, use a pulser's lock, which will be fixed over here. You can even lock the handle using that same lock, and we'll need not have to use this lock. We'll remove this and use a single lock set over here. And then later we'll see what and all we'll do. And if you think of the switches this side, all this work properly, and this switch also works properly, but we'll replace this handlebar. We'll use some other handlebar like FZ's handlebar or RD handlebar or Pulsar. I prefer to use Pulsar's handlebar. You'll see in my future videos regarding that, and once I'll show you the whole bike, have a look.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. There'll be like many videos coming up in my channel from now on. And do share the video, and also comment below like which video shall I make further in my channel, or if you have any doubts or have any doubt regarding the modification, etc. Stay tuned for other videos. Thank you.